Hey guys, come on, let's heat things up. Listen, this is introducing to you the Saladmaster Electric Kettle. By popular demand, a lot of you have been asking, how can we get electric kettle? How can you get electric kettle? So here we go, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Da-dam. Look at the electric kettle, guys. Look at the electric kettle. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to take our time to explain to you how the electric skillet works, and of course why you should get one as well. So this is the core, first of all, or the base. This is the base of the electric kettle. By the way, it is intentionally made to be short so that it won't entangle with other cords or trip off, when it has to roll over with other cords. Look at it, take a look at that. So you just put it that way and that is it. It has power light here. When it is ready, after it is done boiling, now this is the power button, and when it is done, it automatically lifts itself up, and then that is it. Take a look at that. That is the end of it. Now, before you use it for the very first time, you are expected to fill the water up to the maximum. You look at it here. You can see the maximum. Look at that. This is where it has to stop. All right. So when you get the water to that very level, and then you boil it, why do you have to leave it at this level? So that it won't boil out. The water won't pour around where the water is boiling. All right. That's really what it is. So first of all, put it in here, boil it to bring it to a boil, and automatically when it switches off, you throw the water away and everything else. Now there are some safety concerns, some things you need to really look at. Let's take, for example, there is no water in the kettle, and then the thing eventually comes on. It is designed in such a way that it will automatically stop working. So you are expected to leave it for about 5 minutes before you now pour water inside it. That's really what it is. Now, after the first use, you can use your kettle as much as you want. Now, sometimes some mineral deposits happens to be in the kettle after a long period of time of use. What do? You lift the lid again and keep it away, and then you bring out one of the most beautiful, the most amazing part of this tea kettle, which is the sieve. Look at that. I'm just going to bring it out. There's something you can see in there. Just hook it. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, so what you just need to do is just to do it this way and just lift it up like that. It comes off on its own. Look at that. And this is also made with the same material used for the production of this kettle. Why is it important that you get this kettle? This kettle is made with 316 titanium stainless steel, which resists any form of chemical reaction between the kettle and the water. The 316 titanium surgical steel, they call it, is also the same thing they use for, in the medical field. So why do you still have to boil your water in aluminium? Why do you have to boil your water in a 400 series, in a lower grade material? Why do you have to boil your water in cheap materials? Come on, if you're a tea lover, this is definitely for you. This is definitely for you, all right? Now, another thing you need to look at, if you want to now wash it, let's say after the mineral deposits in there, so get 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, and of course a cup of white vinegar. And what happens when you deposit that, pour them in here, and then put the water to that maximum again, and then boil it. After boiling, leave it for maybe just for overnight, and then the interior will clean up again. You don't have any problem anymore. From today, as far as you have the Saladmaster 316 titanium kettle, you can boil your water and enjoy pure, clean water. And again, remember the sieve is also made with what? 316 titanium stainless steel. Listen, guys, if for instance you say, no, Greg, I don't want the electric one, you have other options. Saladmaster has the normal kettle. Look at it, it's the whistling kettle, and when it boils, it starts calling your name. Just calling you, saying, listen, it is boiled, you need to bring it down. And the same way of cleaning and maintaining this one is the same thing you need to use for this also. You don't have to put it inside the water. You don't have to wash it inside your dishwasher, no. You just need to use towel and then clean the outer part, which is 400 series induction stainless steel. Just clean the outer part so it will remain as clean as this, guys. What I will say to you is this: just go ahead and invest in this kettle. It is worth the price. Go ahead and get it. It is absolutely worth it. From today, drink pure and clean, healthy water. Enjoy.